Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Zara. Today I'm there to speak about what was going on me in these several months as a freshman. How was that? Actually, as a freshman, I was struggling a little bit because I didn't know how should I manage my time. But now it's better. I feel better. I didn't know how should I study, and yeah, how should I study smarter. And I listened to a lecture from Marty Lobdell, Professor Marty Lobdell. How should we study smarter? I will share some tips of that, like in every video that I share about like a study or a study with me sessions stuffs, yeah. But still, I try to enjoy my life, every moment of my life. I wasn't like that already. For me, the destination it was more important, and yeah, I tried hard for reaching to my goal, but now my way and every station is important for me. Yeah, I have my peaceful life even during my exam times, because I didn't know how should I study for exam too. But yeah, I try to have study efficiently, but yeah, it was I like this way. Doing a mistake and doing your work what you think is correct at first steps, and check your like step if it's true or not, what should you do. I like this, and I haven't like an anxiety like, oh, I do a mistake, what should I do. And yeah, and I should say that being A plus, I think in English they say A plus students, that's important for me. Yeah, quality of my life is important. Every day I try to read my books, and recently I have heard from my favorite professor that every day, I can say every day, I listen to his lecture. He is a literature professor. He said a quotation from Goethe. He said that try to listen to music, good music, reading good poem, visiting good place, or like visiting good picture, and saying some reasonable words every day. So I try to do that, try to have my painting every day and reading beautiful poems. And yeah, I have my routine book, like I read business school, that is about financial literacy, and it's love life, and it's about relationship. It's not you. This book is about narcissistic persons. from American professor, and which I like her, and I have listened to his podcast in YouTube and watching his videos. And what speaking to my God, yeah, as a lover, writing letter. Yeah, I enjoy my life. And other things. I always check that quotation on Google, so I forgot to tell the reason. From Wolfgang Goethe. A man should hear a little music, read a little poetry, and see a fine picture every day of his life, in order that worldly cares may not obliterate the sense of the beautiful which God has implanted in the human soul. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. Nice. Thank you, sir. And thank you for watching me. See you.